Hey there, foodies! Today, we're going to explore the delicious world of Mediterranean cuisine with a recipe that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. So, let's dive right in and learn how to make these scrumptious Mediterranean morsels. To start, you'll need a few simple ingredients: 10 eggs, 1 cup of cream, 1 cup of flour, salt, and black pepper. Let's begin by cracking the eggs into a large mixing bowl. Give them a good whisk until they're well combined and smooth. Then, add the cream and continue to whisk until everything is thoroughly mixed. Next, pour the flour into the bowl and mix everything together until you have a smooth batter. Now, season the batter with salt and black pepper to your liking. The beauty of this recipe is that you can adjust the seasoning to your personal preference. Once your batter is ready, it's time to start cooking. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add a small amount of oil to the pan, and then use a spoon to scoop some of the batter into the pan. Cook the morsels for about 3 minutes on each side, or until they're golden brown and crispy. And there you have it! Your Mediterranean morsels are ready to be devoured. Serve them hot and enjoy the rich, savory flavors of this delightful dish. Remember, the key to making these morsels truly special is in the seasoning. Feel free to experiment with different herbs and spices to create your own unique twist on this classic recipe. So, what are you waiting for? Gather your ingredients, follow these simple steps, and treat yourself to a taste of the Mediterranean. And don't forget to share your creations with us on social media using the hashtag Mediterranean Morsels. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow us for more delicious recipes and food inspiration. Happy cooking, everyone!